Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to transfer my domain from Squarespace to Webflow. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over to your browser and then open up your Squarespace. Now once you're inside there, all you gotta do is just log into your account. Now in order to transfer your domain from Squarespace, what you need to do is just simply click on the profile icon on the top right corner of the screen, and then you'll find the option that says domains. Simply click on it. Now all you gotta do is just select the domain. Now the main thing that you need to know is that if you can transfer your domain to Webflow or not. So as there is no available option to transfer the domain from Squarespace or any other registrar to Webflow, as the Webflow is a website builder rather than being another registrar. The Webflow is a website builder, and there is no possible option to transfer your domain from Squarespace to Webflow. And that's basically how as you can see, there are similar options provided on the Webflow, but you aren't able to transfer any domains from any of the registrar to Webflow, and that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.